Panama City, Florida is now protected by lightning suppression technology. Approximately 40 million lightning strikes hit the ground in the United States every year. The EMP lightning suppressor prevents the formation of a lightning strike with a single device. Installed on the highest point of 7 key buildings, providing 100% lightning protection. With thousands of locations worldwide and 0 strikes on any properly installed and maintained protected infrastructure in over 15 years, the EMP lightning suppressor is the most effective way to eliminate lightning from striking, protecting baseball stadiums, high-rise condos, cruise ships, an oil rig, communication towers, and many more infrastructures throughout the world. Preparation is the key to protection. Take the first step. Contact Capital and begin preparation. Capital Electronics, turning technology into solutions.